Hi guys. Heaven weeps when mother is in pain. The windows gave the clouds a shoulder to cry on, and the clouds hugs the inside of our home with vapor. With my index finger, I draw a thick woman on the glass window, and through her smile, I see that we are not the only ones crying. But she's the only one smiling, but disappears when I start breathing next to her. It is cold inside. The room sips the steam of my tea before I could get warm. Nothing warms me enough inside. Nothing is warm enough inside me. Deep inside, I know that we men have been paying the bills to the water that spent a weekend in our sister's lungs. The rain sings, and from our kitchen, mother sings a backtrack with her eyes dry. The rain sings, and from the kitchen, mother sings a backtrack with her eyes dry. We feel her breath hugging us from the distance. We cough to let her know that we are still here. That we men don't disappear, but make others disappear. Permanently sometimes. My sister is behind her, sharing tears with onions, and the names of a missing friend sings on both ends of her lips. It is as if she went into thin air with her. I watch as how we make our smiles upside down into sad faces. My mother. When our sisters becomes the distance between raindrops, maybe we became rain. And we wonder, when did we start holding hands against our mother's breathing? My mother cannot seem to pour out her emotions about her missing daughter, one who went missing from her belly. She has lost weight ever since. When a girl goes missing, she puts their names on her palms and rubs her belly as she wets her cheeks with tears. Yesterday, the scale said that many women have found a heaven that no man goes to. One where unbiological brothers send their unbiological sisters to. One where husbands send their wives to when wedding vows leaves like fists leaving sides of his pockets. It is pouring tonight, hard. Raindrops skydive from clouds to commit suicide on a homeless man's face. There have been death on a man's face or fists.